Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I'll share another tutorial in GeoGebra. So I'm opening a new file which is on my desktop. I have already installed it. I can work in both online as well as offline. Next, as I told, left side is algebra for algebraic platform, right side is graphics platform, and these are the tools. So I am first hiding the graphics view, right click, then I'll left click on axis, again right click, left click on grid. So I'll get a plain page. Next I'll go for triangle. I'll make a triangle because I want to show you, or I want to show the students that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So I'm going to text tool. So here ABC text, I'll click left, then I'll click on anywhere on the platform. I'll get a box here to write the text. It is there. So I'll write the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. So I'll click on OK. Then I want to make it bigger one. So where I'll go, I'll right click on it, click on object properties. I'll get the format menu. So here I'll go for text. I'll click on this arrow so that the menu will come very small, extra small. I'm going to medium. I'm clicking on bold to show it prominently as we do in MS Word or anywhere, PowerPoint. Then I'll go for color. I'm coloring it in blue color, or you can make it green so that it will be prominent. Now I am crossing the menu. Then I'll go for a triangle. So where I'll go to line because triangle needed 3 lines. So line segment. So one, then another, then next I'll join this two. So it is the triangle. I want a two. So when it is coming extra, so you can press escape button in the keyboard. Now I want to name as ABC. So I'll rename as A, type A in the box. Then here I want to change E as B. So rename, it will be B. Okay. So I want it to be bigger in size. So I'll go to option menu, font size. I'm writing 16. You'll see that immediately it will be bigger one. Next what? I want the length of the sides. So what I'll click on the line AC and it will show that segment. That means it is selected. Now we'll go for object properties. In the object properties, go for basic. Here I want the value of this length, or I will not name the value. I'll click on left click on value. When you will click on this box, you will get the menu. Name and value, it will give a name ABCD, small ABC, you know. I'll go the value. So it is showing decimal 2 places. I don't need decimal 2 places. I want decimal 1 places. So I'll go for option, then your rounding. rounding, you will get 0 decimal, 1 decimal, 2 decimal. I am going to 1 decimal. So immediately it will show 1 decimal. Next I am selecting AB. So keep the cursor on the AB, right click, then object properties, then you will go for same concept. I'll go for value. That will receive you 5.2. Next click on BC, right click, object properties, value, so it will 4.6. Now this app we have made it. So you can see it is not that difficult to make a teaching aid to show the children. Small children, when they will see in the eyes, it will be better for them. So next I am hiding this algebra tool. So I'll go for view, click left on algebra. That means whatever I've drawn, it will go away. So this is the triangle now. To show it, what I'll do, I'll show, I'll go for move. Move, click on move, left click, then I can move any point. I can drag any point anywhere to make different triangles. Different triangles. So here they can write, or they can find what is AB, what is the length of BC, what is the length of AC, and they can verify 7.4 plus 6.8 is always greater than 7.7, or the children can make themselves, or you can share this app to with the children so that they can drag it, they can try their best to fix a position, to show that, to verify that is there any position where sum of two sides is less than third side. They will not get it. They will never get it. So I will save it, file, save as, and I'll write this will be my sum of two sides. Then I'll save it. I'm saving on desktop. So remember the location. I'm saving on desktop. Save it. So it is already saved. So whenever you want it, you can also open it again. So I'm minimizing. See, this is the sum of two sides. When I'll open it, it will again open. It can be sent to through the mail. It can be saved in the Geogebra org also. You can make your account. You can make many app, small app like this. Others are making. Many teachers are making. You can share them. You can take their app also. So this is all about the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. So you can press and drag. So it will be a lifetime remembrance. The children will not forget that sum of two sides is always greater than third side. So I hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. You will be making many apps or teaching aids like this. You can also make yourself when you will get an idea. If any query, you can write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.